Fest at Sun Life Stadium, Saturday, April 26th. All vehicles welcome. Imports, classics, lowriders, trucks, motorcycles, exotics, and even boats. Come check out the sound competition, hydraulic hop, motorcycle stunts, and live music. They'll have bounce houses and games for the kids. Oh yeah, kids 12 and under are free. Get your tickets online at MiamiAutoFest.com. Saturday, April 26th, Sun Life Stadium. Gates open at 3 p.m. Brought to you by Amani Forged, Ink Daddy's Tattoo, Boasting Biz, Reds Miami, and Royalty Real Estate.